Hello everyone, this is Vinsika. Today I'm here to help you in writing unit test cases in CH using XUnit. So this is my calculator public method whose return type is double, which is having A, B and operation as the input parameters. Based on the operation type, based on the operation either it is add or subtract, it will go into the private methods, it will call and calculate and sends the result. So firstly, we'll write test case for adding the numbers. I'm initializing the input parameters b equal to 2, let's say, and the string operation is add. So firstly, we need to create the constructor. Here we can see public processor is a constructor which is having iProcessor as the dependency. So I'll just name it as processor, and this processor is new processor which should have iProcessor as the dependency. But here I can't pass directly the iProcessor, so I have mocked it, mock iProcessor. So this is the variable that is used, and underscore processor mock dot object. Using this processor, I will call this processor.calculator method and pass the input parameters. So now finally we have to validate the value of the result using assert. So 1 plus 2 here will be 3. That 3 is validating with result. Now if I run this test case, here we can clearly see that one test passed and this green mark shows the test case is passed. Here one thing is that whenever we say add or subtract, the method calculator is actually calling a private method. So if you don't want to call this private method, that means if you don't want to go inside this private method at all and directly mock this private method here itself in the calculator test case and return some value to the result, we can do that. So for that, we'll meet in the next video, and thank you for watching.